So basically, this is what we're going to talk about today: evaluating milestones to evaluating self. What we are going to do today? Today we will recall the purpose and types of assessments. Second, we are going to explore some strategies for formative assessments. Third is we will explore how formative assessments can help improve instruction. What is an assessment and why assessments are important?
Assessment is a process through which we can come to know about students' progress in terms of their academic progress and also value-based progress. And why assessments are important? Um, to know assessments are important because when we take assessments, we come to know where the students are lacking, and also we can understand where in teaching we need more practice and all.
So, what comes to your mind when you see this picture?
It means अगर हम कुछ सिखाते हैं जरूरी नहीं है सामने वालों को वो आ ही जाए.
Exactly. Right. Assessment is the link between teaching and learning. So this is basically the assessment cycle. We plan for a lesson, then we teach it, then we assess whether the students have learned, whether the students have understood, whether the students have achieved the outcome that we have desired or not. And even tell me the difference between the two or the purpose. Why do we conduct formative assessment? Why do we conduct summative assessment?
We conduct formative assessment to know that the concept which we are teaching are they able to understand or not. And summative assessments are taken at the end, in the middle, that is in the 6 months and at the end of the year.
So the first step strategy is quiz to fight. Basically, you ask the students when you have taught or when you have introduced a new concept, to ask the students how much they have understood. Here, if you see the question, how well do you feel to understand the concept of friction? Right, and you need to tell students what each finger means. Traffic lights is similar to Specify, तो थोड़ा और visual, colorful हो जाता है. This is 3, 2, 1 exit ticket. In this, we ask the students to write 3 things that they learned in the session, 2 things that they found interesting, and 1 thing that they struggled with, 1 question that they still have. And now, these are peer assessments, जहाँ पे students एक दूसरे को assess करते हैं. And the last one, example, non-example. We'll take response for the first situation in English. You introduced a new skill of identifying cause and effect in RC. Who would like to share which strategy would you use?
Sir, group discussion.
So what is the question you will put in front of the students for discussion?
So, to identify the means one will give the problem, identify the problem, and to get the solution for that.
Amazing. What will be your next step for the following student responses for a formative assessment? If someone could think about the next step in English.
Okay, so generally जब मेरी क्लास में मैं ले रही थी इंग्लिश तो ये होता है so what should I do कि 10 स्टूडेंट्स को अगर थोड़ा बहुत भी समझ आया है so I would ask questions कि आपको क्या समझ नहीं आया तो अगर and I'll ask one student to tell the problem देन मैं बोलती थी कि अगर सेम प्रॉब्लम किसी और को है तो वो भी हैंड रेस करें सो इन शॉर्ट इससे हम टाइम भी बचा सकते हैं वी कैन सेव टाइम आल्सो एंड स्टूडेंट्स की जो प्रॉब्लम्स है वो भी हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं.
परफेक्ट. वी विल टेक वन रिस्पांस फॉर मैथ्स एंड देन वी विल क्लोज दिस.
इनमें शायद रीडिंग बच्चे छोटे हैं, सेकेंड ग्रेड के हैं तो मे बी दे आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सेंटेंस तो आई विल जस्ट break the sentence and explain them कि 18 greater है कि 23 greater है, बस इतना छोटा करके पहले explain कर देंगे, break down कर देंगे, तब शायद उनको clear हो जाए.
Amazing. Thank you very much, teachers. Thank you for engaging in the session. I'd like to hear from you feedback.
Yeah, the session was very nice. Even I got to know many new strategies of formative assessment, especially the peer assessment, the one like 2 concentric circles we can make, and the peer assessment can happen. I think as a first session, this was a very good session for the teachers.
The session was really nice. I genuinely enjoyed it. It was very interactive for the teachers, so it was actually really just like fun to watch and listen.
Thank you, everyone.